Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to effectively advertise your Facebook page. First, you must define your clear advertising objectives. Are you looking to increase your page's followers, send people to your website, or gather new leads? Your specific goal will direct every subsequent decision you make in setting up your ad campaign, ensuring your efforts are focused and productive from the very beginning. This foundational step is crucial for success. Next, focus on pinpointing your perfect audience to maximize your ad's impact. Facebook offers incredibly detailed targeting options, allowing you to reach specific demographics, people with particular interests, or those exhibiting certain online behaviors. You can select an age range, for example, from 25 to 45, or target individuals interested in cooking and travel. Refining your audience ensures your advertising budget is spent efficiently, connecting with individuals most likely to engage with your page and offerings. Once you know who you are talking to, design engaging ad content that truly stands out. Your ad creative, including images or videos, should be high quality and visually appealing. Craft concise, compelling ad copy that clearly communicates your value proposition and includes a strong call to action, like learn more or shop now. Consider using short video clips under 15 seconds as they often capture more attention. Remember, an effective ad encourages immediate interaction from your target audience. Finally, establish a realistic budget for your ad campaigns and consistently monitor their performance. You can start with a daily budget as low as $5 and scale up as you see results. Regularly review key metrics such as reach, engagement, and conversions within Facebook's Ads Manager. This data provides valuable insights into what is working well and what needs adjustment. Optimizing your campaigns based on real-time data ensures you achieve the best possible return on your investment, making every penny count.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.